So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to underline text here on easel. So the first thing you have to do is open up the easel application. Once that is done, I want you to go to the right hand side of your screen and press on the text icon to add some text to your design. So I'm just going to go ahead here and press on add a heading. Now, once that is done and the heading is added, I'm going to go ahead and make the heading a little bit larger so that's easier for you guys to see. You can change the text to whatever you want, so I'm just going to type in underline for this video. Now, in order to underline the text, it's very straightforward. Press on the text right here. Go to this top bar to where it says underline, so right beside the italicize and right beside the shadow button, press on underline. And by doing that, you have now added some underline to text here in easel. So pretty straightforward, super simple, but that's how you guys can underline text here on easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.